Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back to my channel. Just hopping on to help you setting up for this week's memory verse. So this week we are doing week 2, which is Galatians 6:7. It says, "Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever one sows, that we will also reap." So it's also a wonderful principle that, we can't deceive ourselves. Whatever we put our energy and time and talents and money and whatever we put in, eventually it will reap a harvest. It can reap a harvest to righteousness, or it can reap a harvest to the flesh or to evil, whatever. So wonderful principle. So I'm going to put this behind the daily verse or the daily section, because this is the verse we're going to concentrate on a daily basis. My old daily verse I'm going to put behind even. I'm going to concentrate that on the even days of the week. My old even verse I'm going to put behind odd. I'm going to concentrate that on the odd days of the week. My old odd verse I'm going to move into the weekly section. I think last time we did Wednesday. Let's see. I think last week we did Tuesday, so I'm going to put behind Wednesday. You can put any place. It doesn't really matter, but I'm trying to go back and forth so it's sort of uniformed. So I put it in there. And then my old weekly verse I put into my monthly section. So you can also go back and forth as you want. What I sometimes do is just look at places where there is not many, and often here it's at the back. I don't have so many. Obviously I've memorized for quite a while, so I'm going to have a few verses to revise on that day. So I'm going to put it behind the 27th, and I'm going to put it behind there. And on the 27th, I've got these 3 verses just to revise. So I hope that's helpful. And tomorrow morning, when I do my quiet time, I will just get my book out, and then I will write it down there, put the address there, practice it like I did last week. So happy practicing. I hope it's a blessing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, because I do lots of encouraging posts on my stories there to help you memorize scripture, just to look a little bit deeper at the verse, behind the scenes and things like that. So I've got a link down below, so please do follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you there. Have a great Sunday, and God bless.